Okay, so we've done this once before, and some people misunderstood me. I wasn't speaking ill of the customer, because it was definitely a dry cleaner that packaged this. But it's not a bad box. I'm not sure who the original manufacturer is, but I cut into it a little bit. It's acid buffered, so it's not true archival quality. It does have normal cardboard on the inside, so it's about a 10-year box. It really shouldn't be more than 10 years in this box. And then the veil is stored, looks like a shoe box. As you can see, it does have a lot of oxidation. Some of this is repairable. Most of it is, not all of it. Metal liner is going to keep us from being able to do a lot with this headpiece portion of it. It is a beautiful piece. So let's talk about the mistakes on this one. Customer's already opened this, so we don't get to unseal it, which is fine. It's not our place to unseal it. It's interesting that the viewing box was left in. But the mistake, the dress has to breathe, and there's no place for the dress to breathe because the cleaner literally duct taped every square inch, and you can see the duct tape is disintegrating, so it's already off gassed. This was actually very detrimental to the dress by using this duct tape, because it introduces a contaminant. The box is trying to prevent contamination, and we've added a contaminant in right from the get-go. Plus, it makes it hard to get your dress out and look at it. Your dress wants to breathe. Even the acid-free tissue paper is oxidized. At least it did do a little bit in curbing some of the damage from the duct tape. I do believe the discoloration on this tissue paper is from the off-gassing of the duct tape. Inside of the box is actually a lot more oxidized than the outside of the box. That's kind of a fascinating detail. I would not say that that's alcohol, but it is a beverage that's oxidized over time. Very pretty covered buttons. I'm gonna have to call Beano's and have Beano duplicate this button for us, because this button will not reuse because it's already had oxidation on it. Hey, look how timeless this is. We got a basque waist. How about that? I believe this dress is going to turn out really pretty. We have another coverlet. This one, it has a couple snaps. You can see how dark and tarnished those are. That will be very detrimental to the dress if were we to leave those on for restoring it. All in all, this will be a fun project. I think those are just glued in. Those are going to be coming out. This is just ribbon with fusible tape. That's all that is. Yeah, you can see the evidence of the fusible tape. So somebody just ironed this in. Definitely detrimental to the dress. It probably also added to the off-gassing.